guys, Lucas from Lucas Cars. Today we're back with another video. We are joined with Craig again in the GT86, and we have got Ollie as well in front, and there's a couple other people as well, but you don't need to know about them. You'll see some clips of the cars and stuff as we're going about. It's another Peak District drive again today though, and we're going to the N Fiddle route, which is another great driving road. So I would suggest that after watching these videos you do potentially look into going to these routes and roads if you're into driving and if it's local to you. So yeah, I'm going to get some car clips in of us driving and stuff. When I get there I'll get some like photos and driving clips for you guys to enjoy. So yeah, enjoy the video. Hi guys, just an update on the journey so far. We've just stopped off for some snacks and a drink, basically just so we can stay hydrated on the day. So it is quite a warm day today, surprisingly, in the UK. It's like 25 degrees, something like that. So I want to make sure we can still eat and drink and stuff, because in the Peak District it can be a bit dodgy trying to find anywhere to pull over for that sort of stuff. We also need to regroup with the rest of the people as well, because they've got split off because they went off a different way. I don't know why, but yeah, we're meeting them in Ashbourne, which is basically at the bottom of the Peak District. So we'll get together, then we'll all head up basically to the N Fiddle route. So yeah, sound. Just had to pull over. We have regrouped with everyone now in Ashbourne. Ollie's exhaust hanger has broke at the back, but we have sorted that with some cable ties, so drift car. But yeah, we are just keeping an eye on that because it isn't the ideal thing to do and not really the safest, but it isn't hanging drastically because it is just like one of the back ones, so there's two holding the exhaust up. So it should be okay, we'll just keep an eye on it basically. But after sorting that out, we are back en route to N Fiddle. I'd assume it probably takes about half an hour-ish probably to get to that bit, but obviously you'll see clips and stuff in between, so it shouldn't be too boring for you lot to watch. But yeah, back on the road. These are well tight roads. Oh, fucking climb corner. Oh no.
Like all you through it because be on the fucking shore. Look at it.
The race car. So we've just got to the N Fiddle pub, done a couple of the roads which you should have seen on the clips as well getting here. We are going to drive through this route basically to Macclesfield to get some fuel for Craig, because he needs fuel because race car. All the others are mainly diesel apart from Ollie's Fiesta, which obviously is not a diesel. But yeah, he's doing what needs fuel at the minute. I'll get some clips of us driving around these roads because they're quite good, to be fair, in terms of like scenic and actual roads to drive on. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy. What are you doing?
Well, hello there.
Well, hello there.
It is a tester,
Oh,
sir.
yes, my knowledge. It's unreal. Guys, so we're back on the road now. Everyone's having a barbecue, but I don't think that'll really last long, to be fair, because it's not really a great area to do it in. We saw some pot ranges and stuff, so it might get told off as such for that. But we are moving to a location that's pretty close. It's got a reservoir. I can't remember the name of it. If I find out when we get there, I'll let you know. But it's a spot I've been to a couple of times in the Corsa. It's got the nice slope down, so it's nice for like shots and everything. Hopefully get some clips of Craig's car whilst they're messing about with their barbecue. So yeah, let's get to it. On the journey, on the way to this waterfall spot that we're meant to be meeting, or well, going with Ollie. We've gone to Mount Tor, which is a spot that we've been to a couple of times, that we are driving on now. It is very busy, surprisingly. It is quite late on in the day, but yeah, this is exciting. Let's get some nice scenery clips for you guys.
Oh, they're running out.
Beautiful driving line. Oh, yes. He's crashing to the fucking hedge. Fuck.
Oh, he's got him. I had him there.
laugh then.
Like he did, like that sounded good.
Ollie's just trying to wait for us.
Well, the car doesn't do that slow.
I think he's enjoying it, Craig. That's what you're meant to do. Enjoy the view. So basically, we've been following Ollie to this Waterfall location he spot that he's promised us, but now I've gone the wrong way, basically down a one-way bit. The lighting is awful here. But yeah, so now I've got to reverse down this dodgy one-way road thing. That's like 2 miles long, so yeah, very exciting.
Don't put him in charge again.